In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Surfshark account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy, secure your internet connection, or access content with geographic restrictions, Surfshark offers a great solution. So, let's dive in and guide you through the process swiftly and smoothly. First of all, you'll need to navigate to the official Surfshark website. This is the central hub for everything related to Surfshark, including their VPN services and an array of cybersecurity tools. Using a search engine like Google can quickly get you there if you just type in Surfshark VPN official site. Or you can directly enter the URL in your browser's address bar. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to browse through to get a better understanding of what Surfshark offers. However, for now, let's focus on setting up your new account. Next, you'll see a clearly marked button on the homepage that says Get Surfshark. It's typically bold and easy to spot, designed to catch your attention. Go ahead and click on that button. This will initiate the process of signing up for an account, leading you to a page where the subscription plans are displayed. Surfshark offers various subscription options, so it's useful to consider how you plan to use the service. Depending on whether you want the shortest possible commitment or the best value for long-term security and privacy, you have options to choose from monthly to several-year plans. After you've had a look at the subscription plans, it's time to make a decision. This step is crucial because it determines how you'll be billed and how long you commit to the service. Some users prefer the flexibility of a monthly plan, while others go for the long-term plans, which tend to offer savings. Once you have chosen a subscription plan that suits your needs, proceed by clicking on it. This will direct you to the billing page where you'll need to enter your payment information. Ensure all your details are correct and up to date to avoid any processing issues. And there you have it. Within a few minutes, you've set up your Surfshark account, chosen a plan, and you're ready to unlock all the features they have to offer. Once your payment is processed, you will receive confirmation, and you can start downloading the Surfshark app to your devices to begin using the service. I hope this guide was helpful, and that you are now set to explore the internet safely and securely with Surfshark. Stay tuned for more tutorials and guides, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching.